So before I get in the water, I think it would be a good idea to pee in the water. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the show. It is rough, it is nasty, but it's still only like 4 feet or so. So without further ado, let's get to it. It's cold, so before I get in the water, I think it would be a good idea to pee in the water because I really gotta go. I'm still dry and I'm pissing in this thing. Oh man. It is not rinsing out. I'm not deep enough. I don't want to be deep enough. I really don't want to be deep enough. It's so cold. The pee is warm though, it feels great. It's letting me out, it's letting the cat outside. All right. Woo! Rockin' dog.